This isn't just a mob. There are 2,500 Missouri militiamen standing against us with that order from Governor Boggs.
Mormons must be treated as enemies and exterminated or driven from the state for the public peace. 18 of our brothers and sisters lay dead at Hans Mill. Is this the public peace the governor speaks of? Fathers and mothers and children slaughtered for the crime of building homes and worshiping God.
You should make this very point. Accept the offer, I beg you.
General Lucas, I was told you wanted to talk with me.
Here are your prisoners, General, as we agreed.
When we heard that Joseph and Hiram had been betrayed, we were filled with mourning, lamentation, and woe.
Gentlemen! Gentlemen, please! Tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, General Donovan and his brigade will take these men to the town square in Far West. And he will shoot them!
In the midst of my grief, I was comforted by the Spirit of the Lord and received the following promise. Your son shall not be harmed, and in 5 years from this time, Joseph will have power over all his enemies.
This is cold-blooded murder. These men are innocent. I will not obey your order. And if you execute them, I will hold you responsible before an earthly tribunal, so help me God.
Though their lives were spared, Joseph and Hiram found themselves charged with treason against the state of Missouri and treated as prisoners of war.
Who's gonna save you now?
Prophesy, Smoot! Give us one of your revelations.
Tell us, Joe.
Tell us more about Hans Mill.
Hey, you ever actually kill any Mormons?
2, maybe 3. Of course, the youngins, they don't count for much.
Yeah, but they're good for target practice.
Oh, some of them Mormons ran into the woods. The others have them hidden in their blacksmith shop.
We aim right through them boards and we started shooting them just like fish in a barrel.
I found one 10-year-old boy trying to hide and shot him dead, but couldn't get his father's boots off. Those Mormon women, now they put up a real fight.
Yeah, I remember 2 or 3 of them were hiding out and they just...
Silence! Silence, ye fiends of the infernal pit! In the name of Jesus Christ, I rebuke you and command you to be still. I will not live another minute and hear such language. Cease such talk, or you or I die this instant. The worth of every soul is great in the eyes of God.
Many of our fathers and brothers fought in the Revolutionary War and struggled to establish a government of liberty and equal rights upon this land. We violated no laws, yet thousands of our innocent people were driven from place to place at the peril of their lives.
Smith, get yourself up here. Don't you try nothing.
So good to see you.
Mary?
Hiram, I brought someone to meet you. We have a fine new son.
One at a time.
As Joseph and Hiram languished in the Liberty Jail, waiting to be tried for their lives, our people were scattered across Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois.
Hello, Mary. And the children. I know this work is true. What a faithful heart you have, Hiram. Oh, God, where art thou?
My son, peace be unto thy soul. Thine adversity and thine afflictions shall be but a small moment. And then if thou endure it well, God shall exalt thee on high.
After 6 months in jail, and by the grace of God, Joseph and Hiram escaped their captors. We were reunited in Illinois, where we felt welcomed. We hoped that our sufferings had not been in vain, and that we would now enjoy a season of rest.